Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what you can do with charcoal pastels, including layering colors, blending, and creating value. Value is very important. It makes an image pop up. It makes it a little more realistic if that's what you're going for. Materials we're going to use are charcoal pastel, drawing paper, soft eraser, pencil or charcoal for drawing, color pencils for last details, optional, pastel chalk pencils, and finally, fixative or hairspray. It works the same. This is to make the charcoal pastel permanent in your paper. Alright guys, so we're gonna make sure the charcoal is not dirty. You see, you don't want all that in your drawing. So what we're gonna do is clean it in a paper towel softly. Also, remember that if there is eraser shavings or your table is just dirty, make sure it's clean. You see all those bumps? There's a lot of texture. If the table was clean, that wouldn't come up. Try it again. Clean table. Smooth. Unless you want a texture, that's okay. I'm going to do value by layering colors. I'm going to start with the middle tone. Let's do a lime green. I'm going to do a sphere. Blend with your finger. Add lighter tones and darker tones. You can also add different colors for the dark or light tones. Let's use some blue for the dark. Careful not to add hard lines because when you blend them, they will show up. Some yellow for the lighter tones. Careful not to blend with dirty hands. Let's do this into a lime. So I'm combining different colors, creating value at the same time. You can also blend it with a cotton swab or a cotton ball. And you can add white for highlights. The shadow will have reflection of the same color. Erase some edges if you don't want them. To finish off, we're gonna put some color pencil marks. And now that you know how to create value, you can do other shapes and forms. I'm going to do a rose now. I'm gonna use a soft charcoal. You can also use a pencil, but I'm gonna use a charcoal. When you're finished, don't forget to spray it with fixative or hairspray to make it permanent, and then you can keep on working.